My name is Ana João and I'm a neuroscientist ICVS School of Medicine of University of Minho, Portugal. I'm also Science Outreach Coordinator at those institutions, so it's very close to my heart the public awareness of science and the need for animal experimentation. I am interested in studying the neuronal circuits of reward and aversion, and since we are studying neuronal circuits and behavior, we need a complex organism, so we need to use animals in our experiments. I always try to be completely straightforward and honest about it, and this is the key, I think. So I like to start first by explaining that whenever possible, we try to implement alternative research methods that don't rely on animal testing. However, for some scientific questions, this is just not possible. And I also like to inform the audience that we have strict rules for animal experimentation. And I also like to end by saying that if we are alive today, this is part of the animal research that contributed to develop vaccines, medical advances, treatments. This is a very important thing to say when we are communicating about the use of animals in research. Animal research is a hot topic since there is a strong and vocal opposition for the use of animals, not only in research, of course. And activists often dominate public discourse by giving alternative views that then become perceived truths, though they are not facts. And this makes a tremendous challenge for the scientists to talk about work with animals. But it's also our role that the right message is passed to the public so that they can then make their own judgments based on facts and not perceptions. General public opinion is divided on the use of animals in research, and a large part of this, I think, it's because there is a lack of openness and transparency about why and how animals are needed in research. But it's also a lack of knowledge about the stringent rules and regulations of animal experimentation. And because I strongly believe that open and transparent communication is the best way to promote public understanding, I think that this type of initiatives such as BORD, it's really important to make the scientists to be closer to the general public.